Hey, what's up? Chris here. And today we're going to be learning how to draw a house with lightning and clouds. So first, we're going to do the house. Best way to do a house is a square. Draw a line across, a line down, another line down, and another line across. Now, from the top, you come down, and we top these off at these lines here, making it a triangle. Now, off to the side, we're going to do another little square inside of that square. That'll be the door. Circle will be the doorknob, a L, 4 little L's. That symbolizes the panels of the door. Then close those off and make little boxes inside that. Now here is your window, and these are your curtains. There's a window sill. One line across there. Some lines here. That is the panel on the top of the house. Now, take some grass, put some grass here. There's some grass. Now, here's some shingles. Start from here, then start and come down like that. Sort of like the dragon scales, but this is the shingles for the roof of the house, which is basically a bunch of U's, one right under the other. They're all connecting, so it's like a fleet of U's. There that is. And now we'll just draw some clouds. Nice, bubbly, cloudy masses. Cloudy cloudies. Little circles, all different shapes. Clouds don't have any one defined shape. And now, lightning. Lightning. And if we were doing something creepy, these would also be veins. So there you have it. Hopefully the roof doesn't have any holes in it. I'm Chris, and this is how you draw a house with clouds and lightning.